guitar and your clothes in the backseat.
Welcome sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video natin ipag-aaralan natin ang Imperfect For You by Ariana Grande. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Okay, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay E, F sharp, A, at G sharp minor. Pagdating sa E, third string ay first fret, and then fourth string at fifth string ay second fret. Next ay F sharp, index finger ay sa second fret, and then third string ay third fret, fourth string at fifth string ay fourth fret. Kung nahirapan kayo dito, pwedeng ito yung gamitin nyo sa F sharp. Second string ay second fret, third string ay third fret, and fourth string ay fourth fret. Pwedeng ito yung gamitin nyo sa F sharp kung nahirapan kayo dito. Next ay A. Second string, third string at fourth string ay second fret. Next ay G sharp minor. Index finger ay sa fourth fret, and then fourth string at fifth string ay sixth fret. Kung nahirapan din kayo dito, pwedeng ito yung gamitin nyo sa G sharp minor. First string, second string at third string ay fourth fret, and fourth string ay sixth fret. Pwedeng ito yung gamitin nyo sa G sharp minor. Pagdating naman po sa strumming pattern ng gagamitin natin ay down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Ulit, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Try natin sa E. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then F sharp, gamitin natin yung alternative chord. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then, pagdating lang dun sa last chord ng verse na E at G sharp minor, bali na bago na yung strumming pattern, ang gagamitin sa E ay down, up, and then G sharp minor, down, up, up. Down, up, up, down, up.
My boy, come take my hand. Show your guitar and your clothes in the backseat. My love, they don't understand, but I'll hold your heart in the box here beside me. How could we know we three are?
Pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords ay C sharp minor, A, F sharp minor, at B. Pagdating sa C sharp minor, index finger ay sa fifth string hanggang first string ng fourth fret, and then second string ay fifth fret, third string at fourth string ay sixth fret. Next ay F sharp minor. Index finger ay sa second fret, and then fourth string at fifth string ay fourth fret. Next ay B. Fifth string hanggang first string ay second fret, and then second string, third string at fourth string ay fourth fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern sa C sharp minor, down, up, 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 and then A, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. E, down, up, up. G sharp minor, down, up, up.
How could we know we three arrange all the cosmos? We crash and we burn. Now I just can't go where you don't go.
And then, pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords ay E, F sharp, or yung alternative chord ng F sharp, A, at F. Strumming pattern, ganun pa rin po sa E. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. F sharp, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. And then, pagdating sa E at F, mababago na. Sa E, down, up, F, down, up, up. Ulit, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up.
Anxious, too much, but I love you like you need me to. Imperfect for you, messy, completely distressed, but I'm not like that since I met you. Imperfect for you.
Okay, yan po ang chorus natin. Pagkatapos niyan, balik verse lang ulit, same chords at strumming pattern pa rin po kagaya lang ng pinag-aralan natin kanina sa verse 1. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung nahihirapan naman po kayo, ay practice lang at makukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.